Hey everybody, here we are with another example of calculating formula mass, and we've got this formula here, Ni2CO3, 3. That's nickel 3 carbonate. So let's go ahead and follow the steps. Step 1 says list the elements. Remember, every capital letter gives us a new element. Here's a capital and a lowercase. That's one element, nickel. Here's a new capital letter, carbon. And our third capital letter, oxygen. Step 1, done. Step 2 says find the molar masses of these elements on the periodic table. So nickel is Ni, it's right here in the middle of the periodic table, and its molar mass is 58.69. Carbon is kind of near the top, its molar mass is 12.01. And oxygen, the one we keep seeing over and over again, and hopefully are memorizing, the molar mass is 16. So step 2, find the molar masses on the P table. Done. Step 3, we're going to multiply those molar masses by the subscripts in this formula. So we're looking for the subscripts that are touching each element symbol. 2 is touching Ni, so that's what we multiply by. And remember, nickel is not inside the parentheses. So these numbers over here don't affect nickel. Carbon, though, is in the parentheses. There's no number actually touching carbon, so we assume that is a 1. So we multiply by 1, and we have to multiply by the number outside the parentheses, times 3. Oxygen is also in the parentheses. It has a number touching it, so it's 3, so it's 16 times 3. But we have to multiply by the number outside the parentheses as well, times 3. Now we're going to use our calculator to get these totals. 58.69 times 2 gives us 117.38. And then we'll do 12.01 times 1 times 3, and we get 36.03. And then finally we have 16 times 3 times 3, and that gives us 144.00. Step 3, multiply the subscripts by the molar masses. Done. Now what we need to do is step 4, where we are going to add these together, all these masses together, to get the actual formula mass. So we will add 117.38 plus 36.03 plus 144.00, hit enter, and we get 297.41 grams per mole. And there's our answer for the formula mass of this formula, Ni2CO3, nickel 3 carbonate. Thanks, guys.